This is Joe. He owns a manufacturing company and is spending thousands on his marketing and branding efforts, and he's not getting any trackable results. It's costing Joe valuable staff time and energy with little ROI. Joe wanted to reduce his monthly marketing and branding expenses and get better results, but he didn't know how. Joe decided to try BusinessInsights.us. Now he gets regular local, regional, and national trackable exposure for his business. By using their proven and effective video and news content campaign builder, which provides Joe's business with monthly exposure in hundreds of online industry media sites, providing him with millions of online impressions. Joe's news media content can now also be seen on Roku Streaming TV, providing his business with exposure to 35 million television viewers. He also gets exposure to over 15,000 regional business, civic, and educational leaders via Business Insights' regular e-newsletter. Because Joe knows the importance of social media, he's excited because his video news content is also shared with thousands of followers on his social media and Business Insights social media sites, which include LinkedIn, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and more. And now Joe's company is getting thousands of SEO Google content and search backlinks, which is resulting in thousands of individuals learning about his company. But what Joe likes best is that he and his sales team get a monthly media distribution report highlighting the success of his video and news media campaign. If you're like Joe and looking to reduce your monthly marketing and branding expenses, and if you want better results, do what Joe did. Contact Business Insights today, where we make it easy and affordable for you and your marketing team to gain greater local, regional, and national exposure, creating a stronger brand image and increased sales. To learn more, use the form below or visit businessinsights.us/marketing.